Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Abdul Hadi and I am the student of Rihan College. Today I am reviewing another TEDx talk. It's a very inspiring TEDx talk of Dr. Mary Punjaba. The topic is Stop Teaching, Start Learning. So first of all, the first problem is the problem with traditional teaching. Dr. Java starts by pointing out a painful truth. Much of what happens in classroom is not real learning. Teachers talk, students listen or pretend to. The chalk and talk method makes students passive. They memorize of exam, forget everything later, and never truly understand or apply concept. The Dr. Marpan says the second problem, learning is not the same as teaching. He argues that teaching does not guarantee learning. A teacher can deliver the predict lecture, but if students are not engaged, thinking, questioning, and exploring, it is not learning. Exactly. Real learning happen when students take responsibility, make mistakes, and try again. And the third point is the shift student centered learning. Dr. Java calls for a shift to a student centered learning. Here the teachers become a facilitator, some who creates experience, ask create question, and guide students to discover answer on their own. This approach curiosity, problem solving skills, and independence. It's not about covering syllabus, it's about uncovering understandings. The fourth point is the benefit of learning by doing. According to Dr. Java, learning by doing leads to deeper understanding. Students do not just memorize formulas, then apply them. They develop confidence, creativity, and the ability to think critically. Most importantly, they become lifelong learners, not exam focused memorization machines. The fifth and the most important point is challenging challenges and real world limitations. Of course, this model is not easy to implement everywhere. Large classes, tight curriculum, and exam pressure make it hard for teacher to move away from a traditional method. Many educators were trained to lecture, not facility, and students, especially in exam-driven system like in South Asia, like in our Pakistan, India, in our Asian countries, may initially resist taking responsibility for their own learning. Six and my last point is my review and final thought on this TEDx talk. Dr. Java message is very powerful and necessary. He reminds us that education is not about filling notebooks, but it's about learning and changing mindset. While change, uh, while change won't, will not happen overnight, it happens day by day and thinking and learning by learning. So it's make a big difference after some time. Overall, this talk is bold, inspiring, and essential for everyone who cares about education. Thank you so much for watching my review. If you want to break down more educational talk and motivational speech, drop a comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. If you have any question about this talk, you can comment below. Okay, everyone. Bye.